A new piece of Mac malware, dubbed Silver Sparrow, has been detected in the wild and has infected around 30,000 Mac computers. Silver Sparrow has the ability to run natively on Apple's new M1 chips without the need to use the Rosetta translation environment. This is the second piece of malware that has been discovered that runs natively on Apple's M1 chips, with the first being a variant of the Pirrit adware that was discovered only 4 days prior to the discovery of Silver Sparrow. At this time, the true nature of Silver Sparrow is unknown, as all that researchers have been able to observe it doing so far is being installed and waiting on further instructions from the malware operator. This malware does have the ability to download and install additional malware payloads as soon as it receives instructions to do so from its operator. The utilization of the new architecture on Apple systems and the large number of infected systems indicate that there is something much larger at play here than simply a basic infection test. The real-time protection for macOS that's included in Acronis Cyber Cloud detects Silver Sparrow and other Mac malware, stopping them before your data can be compromised or other additional malware payloads can be downloaded and installed on your systems.